Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we're going to do this knife review a little different. As usual, we got something kind of interesting from Gerber, and that's California telling you this may cause cancer. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to have a first for our channel today. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, please look down below. One of these two little corners down here, there is going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, just click on it or hover, whatever you got to do, it should pull up subscribe. Knock it out the way early and you should feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright, so we're going to take a look at something by Gerber. And as you saw by that intro, it's the Ripstop 1. Now, the only reason I got this thing is I was doing a review on another blade, and I'll be honest, I can't remember the name of it, but look up top. I'm going to try to leave a card for it right up there. Alright? They said they kind of modeled that blade off of this one and the Gerber paraframe. Now, lots of people already know, about paraframes and all that fun stuff. But I figured I haven't had a ripstop, so let me go get one. I didn't expect much from it, to be honest. I really didn't. I just wanted to see what the heck they were talking about and if this thing was, cool or not. So, yeah, let's go ahead and start breaking down some stats. And this is weird. I don't know. I may never do one this way again, but we're going to find out here in a moment. It's got an overall length of 5.75 inches. Closed, it's 3.4. And the blade is 2.3. It is remarkably lightweight at 2 ounces. I mean, there's like nothing to it. Seriously. It's small, it's compact, it's a neat little gentleman's everyday carry folder. Really is. As you can see for Gerber, it's strange. This one does have a plain edge. There is another model out there, I think they call it the 2, where it has serrations about right up to there. It has a bead blast finish. Now, depending where you look, it says it's 440A stainless steel or 5CR13 MOV. So, cheap budget steel, I get it. And the 440A used to be top of the line. It's not anymore, but it's still a good steel. Okay? It's got an aluminum frame. As you can see right there, it's got dual thumb studs, plus that weird little recessed thumb opener. But I'll be honest, oh well, there we go. I'm getting better, getting a lot better with it. Yeah, this thing's, I don't know, with my big old meat hooks, a little hard to open, a little hard to close. Well, not close, but still. As you can see, it does have a frame lock, the little skeletonized frame, even more so than like a paraframe had. And it has a one-position pocket clip, no way to reverse it, right-hand carry, tip down. And yes, as you can see, there is no made in Portland, made in the USA, so it is made in China. No big deal, right? But, let's see what it does. Because I just got this in the mail maybe an hour or so ago. And I wanted to get a video out to get it all caught up so I can get it basically put away. Because the only reason I bought this thing was because another knife said it was kind of based off the skeletonized frame. But let's see if it cuts. Hey, Jason. Not that hard, huh? Of course, it's a cheap frickin' blade. Oops, yeah, there we go. Okay, first of all, it's really not that sharp. See all those flakes? So it's going to need to be stropped before I put it away, because I hate putting away anything that's dull. So, yeah, see, lots of paper. Now, paracord. Simple pull test, no problem. Let's go for 2 for a slice. Alright, went through it, no problem. Now, here's the fun one. Yeah, ratchet strap. So let's see what we got. Yeah. Wow. Let's try that again. Second, fail. third, fourth. Jesus, 4 cuts to get through there. It really did not come sharp out of the package at all. Not at all. I didn't expect much. I really didn't, because what I paid for it, seriously. On Amazon, it's $18.04 with free shipping. Gerber, it's $17, and Blade HQ, it's $12.95. Blade HQ, it's been reviewed twice for 4.5 out of 5 stars. Gerber, you know I don't trust their ratings whatsoever on their blades. They say it's 4 out of 5. And this one has not yet been reviewed on Amazon. Seriously, it's where I bought it, was Amazon. No reviews. I got it because that other blade that I hopefully already put up the review on and filled in everything, because I can't recall its name right now, talked about it was based off of this frame. So I really wanted to see it, really wanted to bring it to the channel and go, huh. I'll be honest, not happy with this one. I think it's a big old, F-bomb. And yeah, I forgot the noise or the F-bomb. Noise or the F-bomb. I think it's an F-bomb. I mean, I think it may be a great blade to give to, like, the cuteness factor or the brat, because, well, the monkey's already got his own blade that I've given him. And I think it might be a neat starter blade for them to try to learn on. Or it just could be something when I just want to go very, who cares if it breaks or does whatever. But, that's my opinion. I want to know what you guys think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below. Let me know in the comments section, because I'm going to get back to you. Now, this is a first, because I've never done a knife review this way. And I hope it wasn't as awkward for you as it kind of was for me, because I'm kind of used to doing things behind the camera on knife reviews. And I'm like, oh yeah, it's cut paper down here, thinking, oh wait, it's up here now. So, Jason, have fun laughing, brother, because I was going to make fun of you cutting that paper, but now you get to laugh at me because that got messed up. Alright, so, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day with me. I know how important your time is, and I'm very grateful you gave me some of it here on the channel. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning, and you long-timers who didn't do it at the beginning, look down there. You should see a big old channel watermark popping up. Not watermark, excuse me, symbol popping up. Click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've beat up the subscribe button, go ahead and destroy the bell icon. Why? Good question. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up, you know it, right over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. It's a really quick look at the Gerber Ripstop 1. I didn't expect a lot from it, but I don't know. Let's hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.